What is actually hiding under this bump? This looked like a small skin bump. But something was trapped underneath. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary bump. But under the surface, a trapped hair is creating pressure inside the pore. The area is gently cleaned before the extraction begins. Now comes the part where the trapped hair can finally be released. There it is. The hair was trapped underneath the skin. Once the trapped hair is released, the area can be gently cleaned. From a raised, irritated bump to a much cleaner-looking surface. Sometimes, the smallest bumps can hide the biggest surprises. Follow Skin Remedian for more satisfying deep extractions and real skincare transformations.